Hey guys, in this video we can go over how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in your Windows 11 after your update. Very easy. First we need to go to an access setting. So I want you to right click on your Windows icon, and then I want you to come here and click on settings. And what we're going to do now is open the system tab, okay, in the left pane. So here we go, click on system. And what I need you to do, guys, is scroll down till you see troubleshoot, okay, or you can search it up right here, troubleshoot, then click on this troubleshoot settings. There we go. And now we are able to troubleshoot different things. So we have internet connections, playing audio, printer, so click on internet connections and then click on run the troubleshooter. As you can see, now we're trying to detect the problem. Okay, just give it a few seconds while it detects the issue for you. Then I'll show you the other method. Okay, I'll show you two methods. So here it says select the issue window, should troubleshoot. So troubleshoot my internet connection. Go ahead and do that. It'll try to detect problems. Okay, so wait for this to happen. As you can see, it has identified some problems, but it was not able to automatically fix them. That is okay. I'll show you how to do this then. So what you do is close all this, and then I want you to go ahead and press Windows plus R, or you can come here, right click, and then we'll go to the control panel. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on here, Windows plus R. So we have the run dialog. So type in control, press OK. And once we have the control panel, right, I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to come here, click on network and internet. And then I want you to click on network and sharing center, right? Click on change adapter settings. As you can see, we're not connected to any networks. Here we go. Wi-Fi. You see, this was disabled after the update. So what you want to do is just right click this, click on enable. We are going to enable the Wi-Fi adapter right here. So as you can see, it is currently enabling. And as soon as that is done, I should be connected to Wi-Fi. So there you go. It has been enabled. And now we are able to go ahead and connect. So I'll go ahead and quickly connect. Let me go ahead and do that in front of you right now. Let's see. The network. Okay, they're finding the networks for us. Oh, there you go. It is automatically connecting. As you see, really that easy and simple. So smash that like button and subscribe to Smart Solutions.